Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to separate mixture of sublimitic and non-sublimitic substances. Example, a mixture of camphor and say chalk. Now you know that camphor is a sublimatic substance. That means if you take some camphor and you heat it, then this solid camphor will directly pass into the vapor state without going into the liquid state. So this is a sublimatic substance, and chalk, it is not a sublimatic substance, because if you heat chalk, it does not directly go into the vapor state. So we have to separate a mixture of such two substances, out of which one is a sublimatic substance and the other is a non-sublimatic substance. In order to do so, what we do is we take the mixture in a watch glass. So suppose this is a watch glass, and on this watch glass we are having a mixture of camphor and chalk. So this thing is the mixture of camphor and chalk. Now on this watch glass we are going to place a funnel like this, and the opening of the mouth of the funnel, which will be over here, it will be closed using a cotton plug. So now you suppose that this thing is a glass funnel, and the opening of the funnel, this is closed by a plug, a cotton plug. And we are going to put this entire apparatus of the watch glass and funnel on some kind of a stand. So suppose this is some kind of a stand, and we are going to heat this watch glass. What will happen as a result? As a result, the camphor that is present in this mixture, due to this heat, it will start getting converted into vapors of camphor without going into the liquid state. And when it touches the inner surface of this part of the glass funnel, since it is relatively cold over here, it will again change into directly into solid state, and it will accumulate in this place over here. So the camphor, due to heat, changes directly into vapor state and then deposits over here as solid camphor, because this is the property of a sublimatic substance. While chalk, on the other hand, is not a sublimatic substance, and it is left behind over here. Later on, what we do is we cool this apparatus and we just take out the glass funnel from this place, and on the inner surface of this glass funnel over here, so suppose this is the glass funnel, and on the inner surface of the glass funnel in this place we have the deposits of camphor. So all the camphor from the mixture has sublimated and has deposited on the inner part of the funnel. After cooling, we can use a knife or a sharp object to scrape out this camphor and collect it in another place, and in this way we have separated the mixture of camphor And chalk, the camphor is scraped out from the inner surface of the glass funnel while the chalk is left behind in the watch glass. So we have separated these two substances from their mixture, and we'll come back in a later video to see how some other kinds of components of mixtures can be separated.